Let's talk about heat of combustion. It is a very good example of how different fields use different conventions which lead to different numbers. So we've already talked about how the heat given off depends on whether this water is assumed to be a liquid or a gas. That's one of the differences that you can have. Another one is that you have to watch for the sign for the heat of combustion. For example, on some tables, like this one, heat of combustion is listed as a positive number. But you know this is exothermic. So why would they do that? Well, I think it's just that it's understood to mean the amount of heat that's given off. But anyway, so watch for that if the numbers are negative, that's correct, it's exothermic. But if the numbers in a table are positive, you have to adjust for that. There are different terms like that are used by different fields. For example, you know, if you're in the heating and air conditioning business and you're dealing with burning natural gas, say, there may be one format or assumption made for their heats of combustion that may be totally different if you're designing a car engine or something like that. So just be aware about that. And those are the main differences, the sign and the state of matter of the water. There are similar terms as well. Sometimes like a heating value or something, they may be in kilojoules per grams instead of moles. They may be per 1 mole. And so the balanced chemical equation, you need to have 1 for the fuel here as well.